Obviously, communication isn't just me saying words and then you saying words. There's a lot more to it. So some people have tried to kind of put it all in one thing to kind of I guess show all the different components that build up communication as a whole. So right at the base, before you get to speaking, before you get to listening, to kind of forming words in your mouth, or to even like coming up with language in your brain, you've got attention and listening, which are really, really important. If you can't pay attention to language, you're not going to learn language. You're not going to understand. And obviously listening is part of that too. So that's a really big, important part of communication as a kind of, what do they call it? Like a foundation, right? Upon which everything else is built in a way. Then we've got, for children, play is very, very important in terms of learning why we communicate. I think that's quite a big part, it's something that we do work with quite a lot, is actually children who maybe don't have a reason to communicate. They don't have the motive, or they don't have communicative intent, is what we would call it. And play is a really good way to build that, as well as lots of exposure to language, and kind of learning kind of to pretend, and just different ways to use your brain and to kind of build that language, and interaction as well. So we've got sort of those social skills is a really big part of our communication with other people. So for example, turn taking in conversation.